I got the Browning Sweet 16 shotgun, gold trigger, made in Belgium. Send me a message or a comment with some info. If you have any more information about the shotgun, let me know what you think. Rate, thumbs up, send me some comments. As far as my knowledge goes, it's all original, so just check it out. Let me know what you guys think. You load the shotgun shells in there like that, cock it back, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Mr. Homicide 2009. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, light.